Hey there, I'm thrilled to unveil a special package from Nutribs. I guess we all are always worried about the ingredients in the product we use. Don't worry, Nutribs got you covered. Introducing Nutribs Herbal Face Wash. It's a perfect blend of herbal extracts like Tulsi, green tea, Haldi, and Ashwagandha that helps to cleanse impurities, remove skin blemishes, control excess oil, and to reduce acne and scars. It helps to maintain skin moisture and reveal radiant and brightened skin. The best part is, it is suitable for all skin types. The products are made of botanical extract, it is GMP certified and free from paraben. So why not give it a try? क्या आपके साथ भी ये होता है? You step out of the house and then you realize you forgot to apply sunscreen? Introducing Nutribs SPF 30 Sunscreen Lotion. It gets easily absorbed in skin, leaving a non-greasy look. It is specially formulated using both herbal extracts and oil to bring out the best combination to protect the skin. This sunscreen is enriched with goodness of aloe vera, green tea, almond oil, and Yashad Bhasma. The products are made with ancient Ayurvedic techniques designed especially for Asian skin. Thank you, Nutribs, for this amazing product.